Meditation can be a powerful tool for relaxation and mindfulness, and when you add music to the mix, it becomes even more impactful. Hey everybody, I'm Rob from Third Wish. In today's guide, I'll show you how to meditate with music, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. Music has the ability to calm the mind and deepen your meditation practice. It helps block out distractions, sets the tone for relaxation, and guides your breathing. The key is to choose music that complements your meditation style. Instrumental tracks, nature sounds, or soft piano are great starting points. Step 1 is to set the mood. Create a calming environment. Dim the lights, find a quiet spot, and play your chosen music at a gentle volume. Step 2 is to get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position, either on a chair or a cushion. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Step 3, focus on the music. Close your eyes and let the music be your anchor. Focus on its rhythm and melody to quiet your thoughts. Step 4, sync your breathing. Breathe deeply, matching your breath to the flow of the music. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6 counts. Meditation with music is simple yet transformative. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase your practice. Be sure to check out our curated meditation playlists linked below. Happy meditating.